Good morning, children. Welcome to the online classes. Today we are going to explain. I am going to explain fifth and sixth problem. Fifth and sixth problem. It is given that three girls, Reshma, Salma, and Mandeep, are playing a game by standing on the circle of radius 5 meter draw in a park. Reshma throws the balls to Salma, Salma to Manideep, Manideep to Reshma. The distance between Reshma and Salma is 6 meter, and also Salma and Manideep distance also 6 meter. So what is the distance between Reshma and Manideep? What is the distance between the Reshma and Manideep? So here this is the circle. So this is the position of Reshma. This is the position of Salma, and this is the position of Manideep. This is the position of Manideep. So here three girls are on the circle. Three girls are standing on the circle. So here 0 is the center of the circle. So three girls are standing on the circle. That here OR equal to, this is the radius. OR equal to 5 meter. OR equal to 5 meter. OS equal to 5 meter. And OM equal to 5 meter. So here this is the OR equal to 5 meter, OS equal to 5 meter, and OM also 5 meter. The distance between, given that the distance between Reshma and Salma is 6 meter. This is given that 6 meter. Here this also 6 meter. So here first we have to write what are the given. You have to write the given. So here given. So here OR equal to OS equal to OM. OR equal to OS equal to OM. This is the given 5 meter. This is the given 5 meter. And here the distance between Reshma and Salma is the distance between Reshma and Salma is 6 meter. Salma and Manideep also 6 meter. Here RS and SM equal to 6 meter. 6 meter. So you have to find the distance between Reshma and Manideep. You need to find the distance between Reshma and Manideep. So you have to find here RM. So what is the RM here? You have to find RM. So now come to the draw a perpendicular from center of the circle to RS. So draw a perpendicular. Draw OL is perpendicular to RS. So this is the perpendicular. This is the L, and so we have to find RM. This is N. This is N. So here draw OL is perpendicular to RS. Now RL equal to LS. So how can you say that RS equal to 6 meter, RS equal to 6 meter, RL equal to, here RL equal to 3 meter. A perpendicular draw from the center, from a perpendicular draw from center to opposite chord bisect the chord. So here OL is bisect the RS. So this is the 3 meter. This also 3 meter. So come to the here. So here OL, draw OL is perpendicular to RS. So here RL equal to RL equal to SL, RL equal to SL. So how can you say that a perpendicular from center to chord, then bisect the chord, then bisect the chord, so yes, a perpendicular from center to chord, so here this chord is bisect the chord, this perpendicular is bisect the opposite chord. So here RL equal to SL, then RL equal to 3 meter, So here RL equal to 3 meter, and you have to find now OL. So here take this triangle ORL. You have to use right angle triangle. So this is the perpendicular. So ORL is a right angle triangle. So here ORL is a right angle. ORL is a right angle triangle. Then this is the right angle triangle. You have to use the Pythagoras theorem. So here, so this is the right angle. This is the hypotenuse. Square equal to OR square equal to, so OR square equal to OL square plus OL square plus RL square. So from this two, OL square equal to OR square minus RL square. So what is the OR here? OR equal to 5 centimeter. This is equal to 5 square minus 3 square. So OL square equal to 25 minus 9. So here OL square equal to, this is 16. OL equal to square root of 16. OL equal to 4 meter. So here this perpendicular length is 4 meter. So this perpendicular length is 4 meter. Now come to the, so here OL equal to 4 meter. The next you have to find the distance between Reshma and Manideep. You have to find the distance between Reshma and Manideep. We know that OL equal to 4 meter. This perpendicular length is 4 meter. Take the triangle ORS. So here, take the triangle ORS. So this is the base. This is the height. So area of triangle ORS equal to, so what is the basic formula of triangle, area of triangle? Half base into height. So here half base into height. So here 1/2. What is the base here? In this triangle, base is RS is the base. So here, what is the base here? RS. So base equal to RS into height equal to OL. This is equal to 1/2 of RS equal to 6 meter. OL equal to 4 meter. RL equal to 4 meter. This is the area of ORS. So this is the square meter. So again here area. So here this is observe here OR equal to OM. So this is the This is the 5 meter. This also 5 meter. So here OR equal to OM. Observe here this quadrilateral ORSM. ORSM. So here these two adjacent sides are equal. So this is RS equal to 6 meter and SM equal to 6 meter. SM equal to 6 meter. So this is the kite. This quadrilateral is a kite. So in a kite, diagonals are intersect at 90 degrees. Perpendicular intersect. So this is the one diagonal. This is the another diagonal. These two diagonals are intersect at right angle. So this is the right angle. And also one pair. So one diagonal is bisect. So here this diagonal RM equal to MN. RM equal to MN. So one diagonal only bisect at 90 degrees. One diagonal only bisect at 90 degrees. So here RM equal to, so in kite, so area of this is the from kite. So here this is the 90 degrees. So here in kite, from properties of kite, so here RM is perpendicular to OS. RM is perpendicular to OS. RM is perpendicular to OS. So now triangle ORS area equal to 1 by 2. This is the equation number 1. So area of ORS equal to 1 by 2. Now I am taking this is the base. OS is the base. OS is the base. This is the height. This is the height. So here I am taking here OS is the base and RM is the height. So here OS equal to 1 by 2 of OS. What is the here OS? It is the radius of circle. That is 5 meter. That is RM. So this is the equation number 2. This is the equation number 2. So here equation 1 is area of triangle ORS. Equation 2 also area of ORS. So equation 1 equal to equation 2. Equation 1 equal to equation 2. So here equation from equation 2 equal to equation 1. Then 1 by 2 5 into RM equal to, so 1 by 2 into 6 into 4. So here 1 by 2 is cancelled. So here RM equal to 5, RM equal to 24, RM equal to 24 by 5 equal to 24 by 5, 5 4 here. So RM equal to 25 by 4 meter. So RM equal to 4.8 meter. RM equal to 4.8 meter. So here RM equal to 4.8 meter. So here this is the bisect. This diagonal is bisect here. RM equal to, so in this here RM equal to MN. So here from RM equal to NM in kite, one diagonal bisect. One diagonal bisect. RM equal to NM. So then NM equal to NM also 4.8 meter. NM equal to 4.8 meter. So here we need to find the distance between RM. So here RM equal to, that is RM equal to 1 Rm equal to Rn plus Nm. So this is 4.8 plus 4.8 that is equal to 9.6 meter. 9.6 meter. So the distance between Reshma and Manideep is 9.6 meter. So here sixth one, a circular park of radius 20 meter situated in colony. Three boys, Ankur, Syed and David, are sitting at equal distances on the boundary, each having a toy telephone, his hands to talk each other. Find the length of each string. So here this is the circular park. This is the Ankur. Another one is Ankur, Syed and David. This Ankur is denoted by A, Syed is denoted by S, David is denoted by D. David is denoted by. So here O is the center of the circle. So find the AS and SD and find the AS and SD and AD. So here the radius of a circle is given 20 meter. Radius of a circle is given 20 meter. You need to find AS, SD and AD. So here come to the solution. So here radius of a circle equal to, that is given. So here radius of a circle equal to 20 meter. We need to find here AS and SD and AD. We need to find the length of string. Now draw a median. From A to SD. So draw a median from A to SD. So here this is the equilateral triangle. They are sitting on equal distance. That's why this is a equilateral triangle. So here AS equal to SD equal to AD. So this is the given that 20 meter. So here this is a equilateral triangle. The median divide the altitude 2:1 ratio. 2:1 ratio. This is the two parts. This is the one part. So here OA equal to OA and this perpendicular can be written as M. So here OA is to OM equal to 2:1. So this median divides the triangle. Median divide the perpendicular 2:1 ratio. This is 2. This is 1. So here OA equal to OA is to OM equal to 2:1. This is 2:. So here the median divides the 2:1 ratio. OA is to OM equal to 2:1. OA equal to 20 meter. Then OM equal to 10 meter. So the length of AM equal to this complete length. This is 20. This is so 20 of is 10 meter. So here 20 meter plus 10 meter equal to 30 meter. AM equal to 30 meter. So AM bisects, this line is bisect SD, then SM equal to half of SD, then SD equal to AS, SM equal to half of AS, SM equal to half AS. This is the equation number 2. So here this median is the perpendicular of this triangle. So here in triangle ASM is right angle. So AS square equal to, according to Pythagoras theorem, AS square equal to. So triangle ASM is a right angle triangle. Triangle ASM is right angle triangle. So in right angle triangle, this is the hypotenuse. AS square equal to side square plus side square. So here AM square, side AM equal to 30. AM equal to 30, 30 square plus here SM equal to here 1 by 2 of AS, 1 by 2 of AS. 30 square equal to 900, 1 by 4 AS square, send this side, AS square minus 1 by 4 AS square equal to 900. So here this is the LCM. 4AS square minus AS square by 4 equal to 900. So this is equal to 3S square equal to 4 into 900. So here 3S square equal to 3AS square equal to 4 into 900. So here AS square equal to 3600 by 3. 3600 by 3. So here AS square equal to, this is equal to 300, 1200, 3 ones, 3 1200. So here AS equal to square root of 1200. So AS equal to 20 root 3, 23. 1200 can be written as square root of 400 into 3, 400 into 3. So here 1200 is written as square root of 400 into 3. So this is equal to 20, this is root 3, 20 root 3. So AS equal to 20 root 3 and SD also 20 root 3, AD also 20 root 3. So here, therefore AS equal to 20 root 3. So the length of each string of phone is 20 root 3. AS equal to 20 root 3, SD equal to 20 root 3 and AD equal to 20 root 3. This can be written as 20 into root 3, 1.732. This is equal to 34.64 meter. 34.64 meter. Okay children, this is completed. This exercise is completed. So today homework is practice these two problems 2 times. So every day come to the online live interaction. Thank you children. We will meet the next session. Thank you.